Top 5 AI tools every small business should be using in 2025. Introduction to AI for small businesses. In 2025, artificial intelligence will no longer be a luxury reserved for large corporations. It will be a necessity for small businesses looking to stay competitive. AI tools can automate tasks, enhance customer experiences, and streamline operations, saving time and money. Today, we'll explore the top 5 AI tools every small business should integrate into their workflow to boost productivity and growth. 1. ChatGPT for customer support and content creation. First on our list is ChatGPT, an advanced AI language model that can revolutionize how small businesses handle customer interactions and content generation. Whether you need instant responses to customer inquiries, blog posts, or social media captions, ChatGPT can do it all. By automating these tasks, you free up valuable time to focus on strategic decisions. Plus, with continuous updates, ChatGPT in 2025 will be even more intuitive and capable of understanding nuanced business needs. 2. Canva's AI design assistant for branding and marketing. Visual content is king in the digital age, and Canva's AI-powered design tools make professional branding accessible to everyone. With features like automated logo creation, smart templates, and AI-generated graphics, small businesses can produce high-quality marketing materials without hiring a designer. In 2025, expect Canva's AI to offer even more personalized recommendations, ensuring your visuals align perfectly with your brand identity. 3. QuickBooks AI for smart financial management. Managing finances is a challenge for many small businesses, but QuickBooks AI simplifies the process. This tool automates bookkeeping, predicts cash flow trends, and even suggests tax-saving strategies. By 2028, QuickBooks AI will likely integrate deeper with banking systems, providing real-time financial insights and fraud detection. This means less stress over numbers and more focus on growing your business. 4. HubSpot's AI-powered CRM for smarter sales. HubSpot's AI-driven customer relationship management CRM system helps small businesses nurture leads and close deals more efficiently. Features like predictive lead scoring, automated email responses, and AI-generated sales reports ensure you never miss an opportunity. In 2025, HubSpot's AI will become even more proactive, offering hyper-personalized engagement strategies based on customer behavior. Jasper AI for SEO-optimized content and ads. Last but not least, Jasper AI is a game changer for businesses looking to dominate search engine rankings and ad performance. This tool generates SEO-friendly content, ad copy, and even video scripts tailored to your target audience. By 2012, Jasper's AI will likely incorporate real-time data analysis, ensuring your content always aligns with the latest trends and algorithms. Conclusion: embrace AI to stay ahead. The future of small business success lies in leveraging AI tools to work smarter, not harder. From customer service with ChatGPT to financial management with QuickBooks AI, these technologies will be indispensable in 2025. Start integrating them now to gain a competitive edge and position your business for long-term growth. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on AI and business innovation.